Yep, it's your boy. Thank you for joining KB and Boat and Yacht Repair. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to block all your repairs so you have no issue when it's time to spray your gel coat. Thank you for all like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So, on my last video, I ended up glassing it. Came out well. There's no bubble. Now it's time to apply my gel coat patch. What I'm doing right now is using a dual grinder to knock down my fiberglass so I could get ready for my gel coat patch. Normally you could use like a sander, but I find it much easier and quicker to use a grinder to knock down the excess fiberglass down. After I'm done with my grinding, it's time to go ahead and start make my gel coat paste. I am using ultra wide gel coat. I am using Duratec to reduce my gel coat. I am using fume silica to make the paste with. Don't forget the MEK, guys, is very important. I'm using 3 ounces of gel coat. So you don't want to mix up too much, because if you mix up too much you will waste it. Then I'm going to add my Duratec. I add like 2 ounces to it. That helps it so it don't crack or brittle, so it could keep it that nice slick look and it don't break. Basically, adding your Duratec to it helps it a lot. Then you mixed it up, and then you add your fume silica to it to get that nice thick paste, so it could be as thick as a flour, so that you mix it up until you get that nice thick denser look that you're looking for. Once you're done mixing up your gel coat and you have that nice paste that you're looking for, it's not runny, it's not liquidy, it's nice and thick, and you got that nice density to it, and it's not falling off the stick, then you know it's ready. And keep mixing it until you get that nice smooth texture, because if you don't mix it up properly, you will have kind of gunks in it, and then it will be much harder to work with the gel coat paste. And it is much easier to apply your gel coat to a piece of cardboard, so you could, or it don't have to be a cardboard, it could be anything that is flat, so you don't have to dip your spreader inside that pot to try to scoop it out, and it's much easier to work with it on a flat surface. Don't forget, guys, to add your MEK is very important. If you don't add your MEK to it, you're gonna have some issue. It will not dry. After you're done applying your MEK to your gel coat paste, don't forget to mix it in properly so it could dry evenly. If you don't mix it in properly, you will have issue because some of it will be dry and some of it will still be wet. So don't forget to take your time and mix it in properly, and then you have no issue. Yep, after you're done mixing up your Gelcoat paste, it's time to add your Gelcoat paste to your repairs. But before you can do that, don't forget to clean your surface first. Use acetone, it's good for Gelcoat. So after I'm done cleaning my surface, it's time to apply my Gelcoat paste. What I'm doing is using a spreader to apply my Gelcoat paste, and I try to get it evenly all the way around. So after I'm done applying my paste, this is how it look. If I had to refill it again, I refilled it when it's dry. So let's move on to the next step. So it's dry and ready to go. What I'm doing right now is guy coating so I could start to sand it. So before I start to block it, I have to sand it. So I am using 100 grit to knock down all the heavy gel coat so I could start my blocking. So guys, take your time with your sanding, no rush, because if you rush your repair, you are going to see it. It was a lot of sanding, so what I did, I sped up my video some more. But guys, when it comes to repairs, it's all about prep work, and if you take your time to prep your repair, it will comes out awesome. If you guys are continue to watching my video and you find this video to be very helpful, don't forget to guys to like and subscribe. Thank you. So after I'm done sanding, it's time to block. To me guys, blocking is key to all repairs. If you want your repairs to come out awesome, take your time and block it. Blocking is everything when it comes to repair, especially when you have to look at it and somebody could say, oh, what is that? You know, you're making sure that you don't do that. So block all your repairs and it will come out perfect. After you get out the first layer of Gelcoat, go ahead and spray a little bit more and continue blocking the repairs. Because when you're done, as I say, when you're done and ready to spray, you have no form of issue. It will come out awesome. So take your time and block. As I said before, blocking is a lot of work, but in the end result, you're gonna love it. After you're done blocking your repairs, and if you see something that you have to fill, go ahead and fill it. So when it's time to spray, you have no gaps, no sinks, or no issue at all. So just continue to do your thing and it will come out awesome. So I am done blocking. Whew, it was a lot of work, but I am done blocking and it worth it. Now I de-waxed it and now it's time to do the prep work for spray gel coat. So what I'm doing now is taping out my repair so I can get ready to spray my gel coat. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to spray gel coat like paint. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My repair is done. This is my final look. It's ready for gel coat, ready to spray. KB boat and yacht repair out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.